As artificial intelligence execution environments rapidly evolve, organizations face highly complex integration challenges. Deploying agentic tools across multiple interfaces creates fragmented ecosystems. This illustrates the primary symptom. On the left, a build checker command processes flawlessly in a local terminal. On the right, that exact command hits a dead-end error in the desktop app. Custom text prompts cannot fix this. Enterprise environments require rigorous tooling protocols. This discrepancy exists because Claude operates across 4 distinct execution environments. Each one utilizes a radically different security sandbox, and each relies on isolated local storage paths for its configuration data. To maintain consistent execution across an organization, teams must treat large language model configurations with the same rigor as production infrastructure. By dissecting Claude's architectural primitives and mapping them directly into a GitOps deployment framework, engineering teams can identify where logic diverges and establish a method to reconcile those differences. At the base level, we have the standalone skill. A skill is a modular instruction playbook. It is a file-based asset that provides specialized procedural knowledge, teaching the model exactly how to execute a repeatable workflow. This document structure shows how a skill operates. It relies on a skill.md file, using YAML metadata at the top and standard markdown below. A plugin operates on a much broader scale. It is an integrated package that extends the system's capabilities well beyond simple prompt-based instructions by bundling multiple extension types together. This diagram shows a plugin unpacking bundled components, multiple skills, model context protocol servers, subagents, and deterministic event hooks. Their startup behavior is completely different, containing eagerly configured assets. At session start, assets like hooks.json inject active event listeners directly into the execution loop. The distinction is clear. Skills provide the cognitive framework for a task. Plugins alter the system's physical operational environment and its external connectivity. There is a strict operational constraint at play. If the runtime engine ingested the full instruction sets of every installed skill at startup, it would consume valuable context window tokens and throttle system performance. To solve this context limitation, the execution engine employs a mechanic called progressive disclosure. This 3-tiered diagram shows how data is filtered. Tier 1 preloads only lightweight metadata. Tier 2 keeps heavy instructions outside, eagerly loading them only when trigger criteria are met. Finally, Tier 3 loads external reference frips at the exact moment a procedure requires them. Progressive disclosure maintains runtime efficiency, allowing engineers to keep hundreds of complex capabilities on standby without degrading the model's immediate processing capacity. When a multi-component plugin bundles a skill that shares a name with a developer's pre-existing standalone skill, the system faces a namespace collision. The system's first line of defense during registration is dynamic namespacing isolation. This diagram shows the isolation logic. The system automatically prepends the parent plugin's manifest name to the skill name, creating a strictly isolated command format like /pluginname:/skillname. For non-namespaced commands or direct file overrides, the engine relies on a hierarchy known as the precedence resolution sequence. This pyramid details the resolution order. System-level enterprise-managed policies override global user configurations. Those override project workspace settings, which take precedence over project local files. Built-in defaults set at the very bottom. Mapping this override hierarchy is a requirement for enterprise teams. It ensures that organizational standards can be enforced from the top down while accounting for local developer modifications. Capabilities are dictated by the execution sandbox. Because these sandboxes vary, configurations must be tailored to each specific host environment. This grid maps 4 environments. Quadrant 1, Claude Chat, is a cloud sandbox. Quadrant 2, Claude Cow, is a local virtual machine. Quadrant 3, Claude Code, is an unsandboxed terminal with full shell permissions. Quadrant 4, the Ant CLI, is a cloud coordinator managing containers. Because these 4 sandboxes do not automatically synchronize their isolated configuration files, configuration drift will occur unless a centralized management strategy is implemented. Organizations can address this drift by applying GitOps principles to their agentic environments. This involves managing every custom configuration, skill, and plugin as version-controlled code in a central repository. This file tree shows a team-wide workspace profile. Shared language server protocol setups and allowed tools are committed directly into the repository inside a .claude settings.json file alongside the skills directory. Machine-specific overrides, like personal API keys or local paths, are isolated inside a .claude settings.local.json file. This specific file is added to the git ignore rules, keeping sensitive data out of the shared repository. Before exporting any playbooks to a team repository, organizations run security sanitization pipelines. These scripts scan for hard-coded paths or tokens and replace them with safe placeholders. This directory structure moves configuration from local hidden application folders into the standard development pipeline, allowing agent instructions to be tracked and audited like any other application code. To complete the pipeline, engineers must bridge the configuration gaps between local host folders and enterprise cloud environments. For local unity on a single machine, developers can use command line symbolic links. This forces the desktop application's isolated hidden directory to read directly from the standard terminal CLI folder, ensuring modifications in one interface instantly appear in the other. For enterprise deployment, organizations can move beyond manual zip file uploads by connecting a private corporate GitHub repository directly to the Claude admin console. This diagram shows automated webhook syncing. Every new commit pushed to the main branch triggers a validation of the manifests and updates active session environments across the entire organization. By combining token-efficient skills, bundled plugins, and a synchronized GitOps pipeline, teams can maintain configuration parity across every interface the model uses.